2, 3, 4.
There's a big old plant on the edge of town where the machines keep rolling, the gears spin around, and Kristen walks with a wary eye, marks another spot where danger lies. Oh, but ain't that anchor where we work each day? Mark it with a paint tag, keep the harm away. Ain't that anchor, rules we can't ignore. Tag it with a warning, 'cause safety means more. 'Cause safety means more. Some say it's just a little thing, a sticker on a rusted spring, but every tag could save a life. Turn off the switch, don't roll the dice. The customer calls and says you're running behind. Every minute down is money decline, but the workers stand, they've made their choice. Safety first, they raise their voice. Oh, but ain't that anchor where we work each day? Mark it with a paint tag, keep the harm away. Ain't that anchor, rules we can't ignore. Tag it with a warning, 'cause safety means more. Paint tags hanging up on the line, saving hands, saving lives. Fix it now, don't let it slide, 'cause we all deserve to get home alive.